Mihango ya guthomithia andu aria matanyitwo gutafania mihango ya utari wa andu mweri-ini uyu ni irarugamire mwena wa Gaciĩ Kĩhara gukirikana ati andu aria marathiete guthomithio maumite icigo-ini ingi hakuhi othe.
Out of 183, 112 they are not from Gaciĩ. Walitolewa wapi? Na sisi hata tukupewa kazi. Mimi hata sitaki nipewe kazi, lakini kuna so many desperate cases we need to address and they are qualified. I can say authoritatively they are qualified.
Aikari ya mathingiririe gutiri hindi andu kuma itura ria nja mangiheo wira itura-ini riri na guthutukania aikari ona thengia wa gukorwo makinyaniire ikiro na makiaga gwitwo ta uria meritwo.
For those of you who are claiming that they are qualified and they are from here and they applied and they did the interview, I will not leave here until we relook at those lists and we correct whatever it is that might have gone wrong.
MCA wa gicigo giki Kabura wa Muthondo ugite ati hatire hindi angitikira andu akuma nja wa gicigo giki nio maratarana mwena uyu kuona na matio andu aguku na oho ni undu wa ugitiri wa aikari ona atarani.
Wale watu wa kuhesabu watu lazima watoke wodi hii ya Kĩhara. Hiyo nimesema kwa Kiswahili. Watoto wetu wamesoma.
Handu-ini ha Kameme TV Gaciĩ gicigo-ini kia ubunge gia Kiambaa kaunti-ini ya Kiambu, njitagwo Wanjiku wa Wanjiku.